Honorable members, I was so pained yesterday. All social distancing and COVID-19 related precautions were violated by some members in the House yesterday. It pained me a lot because of what happened yesterday defies logic. It was really a bad day for Rajya Sabha. Though, please, it's a bad day for Rajya Sabha. Yeah, and then it's a very bad day for the Rajya Sabha. Some members came to the well of the House. They also throwed papers. They have wrenched the mic of the deputy chairman. They have hurled some papers on the deputy chairman. They abused the deputy chairman also, according to the deputy chairman. And then there was lot of rule book also was thrown on him. Some of the, please sit down. This is not the way. You have no right to obstruct the chairman. You are obstructing even the chairman also. That's an indication of what has been done earlier. Some of the members also accepted. Outside also, yes, they did it. And getting onto that table, dancing in the house, and also obstructing the business of the house. This is very unfortunate. It unacceptable and also condemnable. It tarnished the, no point of order on chairman's this thing, please sit down. It tarnished the image of Parliament, particularly the elders' house. So climbing on the bench, dancing, shouting in the well, tearing papers, breaking the mics, obstructing deputy chairman from his duties, throwing papers, rule book on deputy chairman, is it a parliamentary standard? I only suggest to the members of Parliament, please do some introspection. And is it the way to conduct ourselves? You please sit down. Mr. Derek, you please sit down. Derek, I have to name you. Yes, I am naming Mr. Derek O'Brien. Please go out of the house. So, if marshals were not called on time, what would have happened to the deputy chairman? I am worried. He says he was abused with objectionable words. These are all very unfortunate. These things should not be allowed. If you have any problem, the only way is discuss, debate, and decide. If you have the numbers, vote against the resolution. And also the deputy chairman said, you please go to your seats. I will conduct voting. He said it, it's on record. It is shown all over. So, that being the case, I suggest to the members, please, we are giving advice to the general public. We ourselves do not practice a safe distance. Do not follow what has been advised. This is really very unfortunate and condemnable. These incidents are on record. No point of order, and the chairman is on his legs. Please. The deputy chairman was physically threatened. So I am worried he would have been harmed also. Keeping that in mind, the government want to move a resolution, they will do it. But I have to make an observation. Please sit down. I have received a letter. I will not allow till I complete. Please sit down. You are not sitting. You are not following the chairman's directions or the chairman's advice also. And then want to shout. I have received a letter from leader of the opposition and 46 members, urging thereby a motion of no confidence against the deputy chairman, and alleging that while conducting a proceeding in the House yesterday, he had violated the established parliamentary procedure and norms during the... What? There is no need to say yes or no. I don't need your permission. If you don't want to follow rules, if you don't want to respect the chair, then I leave it to you. Really a very bad day for democracy. He has violated, is this a rule? Sitting and making commentary without permission of the chair? What are you trying to teach me? Please don't do that. Dancing on the table, throwing papers. This will not go on record. Anything unauthorized is said by anybody will not go on record. You have been named. You have to go out. You must know how to follow this thing. I have received a letter. And then they say, during the passing of the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020, they have expressed no confidence against the Honorable Deputy Chairman desired to move a motion for this removal. I have gone through this entire proceedings of the House held yesterday in the light of the allegations made by Leader of the Opposition and other members, and observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seats and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption of the House, the division could not have taken place. In view of the continuous disruption of the House, see, you are seeing now. If anybody has missed yesterday, you can see it today. And observed that the Deputy Chairman has persistently requested the members to go to their seat and participate in the debate and move amendments. Obviously, in view of the continuous disruption in the House, and the division could not have taken place, as I explained to you earlier. Certainly, the conduct of some members was grossly crossed all the barriers of parliamentary decorum and etiquettes, and thereby bringing down the prestige of the House. After carefully going through the provisions of the Constitution, rules of Rajya Sabha and past precedents, I have observed that at the outset that the motion is not in proper format. Further, as per the provisions of the Article 90C of the Constitution, a notice period of 14 days is required for moving a resolution, not a motion. As the House is going to be adjourned Saturday on 1st 2020 as per the present schedule, notice does not complete the required period of 14 days. Hence I rule that the motion given by the LOP and other members is not admissible. Then the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, he want to move a resolution. आप लोग बाहर जाना है. Those people who, this is the parliamentary system, please go out. Now there is a call attention motion to the matter of urgent public importance. You members have been asking for this subject. Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Jairam, who have been named, they will not be there. Others, Viswambar Prasad Rishad, Srimad Chaya Verma, Sri Sukram Singh Yadav, and Sri Joginapalli Santosh Kumar, to call the attention of the Minister of Finance to the situation arising of the non-payment of GST compensation to the state. If the members want to call the attention of the Minister, they can call. These people, Sri Viswambar Prasad, Chaya Verma, Sukram Singh Yadav, and Joginapalli Santosh Kumar. You want to call the attention of the Minister? This is not the way. I can't hear. There is total chaos. So they are not calling the attention of the Minister. They are not calling the attention of the Minister. They are not calling the attention of the Minister. You please sit down first. But this is not the way. Make an announcement, there should not be anybody. You first follow that. First, you follow after my announcement, you cannot be in the house, the person's named. You do that, then I will hear the LOP. You first withdraw from the house. These members who have been named by the Minister and resolution which has been approved, they should first withdraw from the house, then we can. Calling attention on GST compensation. Please. No, how can there be division? Over. It's over. Please. You know the position of the House. Please. You cannot create unruly scenes and then demand something, disrupt while the chairman is speaking. You don't follow the rules and you quote the rules. You create disorder and then raise point of order. How can you please follow the rules? Please follow the rules. These members who have been named, they are not part of the House. Please, you first withdraw from the House. You withdraw from the House, then only anything else can happen. You cannot preside the chair like that. The members named has to first withdraw, then LOP, and then anybody else can raise their hand and I will recognize them. Call attention on GST. You don't want? You have been asking. I made a call to the minister, and then minister agreed. She has come. It is there in the business. It is as per the business advisory committee. Please. You please. The members who have been named, they have to withdraw. You are all. Some of you are senior members. If you defy the chair, then I leave it to your wisdom. That is over now. If you don't want call attention, then I will go to the bill. Okay. You are not interested in call attention. You have already been named Mr. Sanjay Singh. You are creating another situation. ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. He is not part of the house. The Indian Institute of Information Technology Last Amendment Bill 2020. Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, move the bill.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारतीय सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी
प्लीज ऐसा मत करना. कृपया ऐसा मत करना. You are all members of parliament. You are members of the Rajya Sabha, elders house. Don't do it. Then don't force me.
रूप में विचार किया जाए.
You don't want the house to run. You don't want to discuss public issues. You don't want to discuss about the GST. You don't want to discuss about public issues. ये नहीं जाएगा. Not part of the proceedings of the house. Neither live coverage nor print should carry this.
ये संस्थान अपने शासी बोर्ड द्वारा संचालित होते हैं, जैसे कि उसके संबंध में अधिनियम और संबंध ज्ञापन किया गया है.
Honorable members,
के माध्यम से सूचना
honorable members, even yesterday also एक minute minister ji, yesterday also we have seen. Today also I have been making appeal to you persistently, and this is the scene. And you don't want to respect the chair. Then I leave it to your. I would have been happy to call him first, but you people created disorder. I would have been the first man to call the LOP, but you created disorder, and you want to dictate to the chairman. That will never happen. The house is adjourned to meet at 10 a.m.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.